everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea. If you're new, happy Friday, and today we're going to do a base layout for the week of January 4th to the 10th in my Recollections Planner using the Sweat&Shine 6-page weekly kit plus add-ons from GoldPaperPrints. If you want to see specific details on this kit, make sure to check out the link down below for both the kit itself on the shop's website as well as the haul. So if you want to see how this is going to turn out, make sure to keep watching. is my final layout for January 4th through the 10th in my Recollections Planner using the Sweat&Shine weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints. I have all the links down below, pen, weekly kit, haul, everything down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more planner videos. I do them all the time, as you've seen. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can see me post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I do bonus videos on Tuesdays and hauls once to twice a month every Thursday or on Thursdays. So stay tuned for that. I will see you guys on Monday. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys soon.